Hello everyone and welcome back to our tutorial video. Today we are going to walk you through setting up your Gmail account using an app password in Sandbox. If you're ready to streamline your email campaign, this video is for you. So let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your Google account. Once you are logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right of your corner. Then click on Manage your Google account. In the left sidebar, you will see a list of options. So from that, you have to click on Security. Then scroll down until you find the Signing into Google section. Here you need to ensure that the two-step verification is turned on. If it isn't, go ahead and turn it on by following the on-screen instruction. Once two-step verification is enabled, you'll see an option for an app password. So for that, you need to type app password, search bar of Google. After doing that, you will be asked to signing in again for a security purpose. So you just need to type your credentials. After signing in, you will be taken to a page where you can create an app password. So from the menu of app name, you just need to type Sandbox. Then you have to select on create. After doing that, Google will provide you with a 16-character app password. So make sure to copy this password as you need it for the next step. Now open the dashboard of Sandbox, then go to settings. After that, you need to find mailbox. After selecting mailbox, you need to click on add mailbox. From that, you'll see you can get a connect a mailbox options. From that options, you have to select Gmail. Now you have to fill some details over here. So in sender's name, you have to type a name from which you are going to share your email to your client. Email address, you have to type your email address. Then you have to copy paste your 16-digit app password or 16-character app password here, and you have to select test SMTP. In the below option, every detail is filled by itself. You don't have to make any changes in these details. So you have to select test IMAP connection, and that's it. You see the both details are verified. So select on connect and save, and that's it. Your Gmail account is synchronized with this Sandbox. I hope this video will be helpful. Thank you so much and goodbye.